Good day everyone, and welcome to the BTC Light Brigade YouTube channel. I'd like to welcome you all once again. Today is Sunday, February the 23rd. Now what we do here is forecast the future of the BTC USD chart, and we do it on an intraday level for day traders. The forecast is for Monday, February the 24th. But before we get into that, I'd like to review how we did on Friday. That would have been the 21st. We did give a forecast that was on Thursday evening. That would have been the 20th. So let's take a look at that forecast first. Alright, so this is the forecast that was given for the 21st. You can see we've broken it down into the three trading sessions, Asian, UK, and the New York. Now in the Asian session, we start at 7 p.m. and the first the first four times on there, 7 p.m., 7:15, 9:55, and 11:35. Those are actually for the 20th evening, right when the Asian session is starting. Okay, so we kick over to the 21st on when the time signal says 1:30. All right, just to be clear on that. And all the times are in North American Eastern Standard Time. All right, you'll have to do the conversion wherever you are in the world. All right, so let's go over to the charts now and see how we did. Alright, so what you have in front of you is the BTC USD chart on a 5-minute time frame. And this is for February the 21st. This is all the action that happened during that day. Alright, each candle represents 5 minutes. So the dotted line over here, this is where Asian session started. Our first time signals kick in right here, 7 p.m. and 7:15 p.m. So what I've done is I've taken the liberty to put vertical lines on all of our timestamps, okay? And I've put horizontal lines where the market intersects our time signals. Now, of course, I did this beforehand, so none of these candles were here before, and you can do the same thing before, for the next day. And then when you're watching the market, when the intersections come, you can see what the candles are doing. So let's just analyze this. I'll blow this up a little bit here. All right, let's see what happened. 7 p.m. was this candle, 7:15 was this candle. Now, when two time signals are very close together, I've said it before, sometimes you want to ignore the first one because what might happen is if you find support here, you might find resistance here. All right, so I usually ignore the first one. We had a big move down here which took out some lows here, so we might want to look for a down signal when this kicked in. All right, so when the market was going up here, it hits our time signal, we draw that line across, we get a nice bearish candle, and we got some nice profit here. Okay, you might want to get out at this bullish candle here. All right, next time frame, time signal, sorry, was this one here. That was at 9:55. So when the market was coming down, it hits our time signal, we draw our horizontal support level. We get this nice bullish candle, we can buy that for some profit here. Market comes back to retest that level. There was another buy. Maybe if you got out here with this bearish candle, you could get it back in again. All right, market goes up, it goes sideways a little bit, hits our next time signal, it hit it right here. Okay, so we got this nice bullish candle here. It's a rather big candle compared to the rest, so we can wait for some retrace. Market came down here, you could buy it here, or wait for a full retrace when it hit the support line created by that time signal. And we got some wicks here, then we got a nice bullish candle, so we can buy that again. All right, and we're off to the next time signal, which is here. We draw our line across, and we're still looking to buy because we're making higher lows, higher highs. Okay, so the market takes a little dip. We don't care about that. We got this bullish candle, tiny little candle here that closes above, but then we got this nice one. All right, and then you'd have to wait for some retrace. You could buy it here or just wait for some retrace. Nice bullish candle here, and this one didn't give you much profit. In fact, after this big red candle, you might have had to get out, and maybe it was a break even, maybe it was a slight little loss. But once this candle broke through on the downside, you could take a short here. Okay, so that's what you got to do in day trading. You got to be quick here. So we got a signal to go short. We're going short where? To our next time signal. All right, so here the market comes to the time signal, we draw our support, wait for a either a breakdown or break up. Now, I'd be careful here on a breakdown like this because you're close to these lows here. Okay, the market's been going sideways, and there's a lot of support here. So this is a nice candle. So that one is a nice candle to be going long on. It closes above, or even if you waited for this one, because the market just came back to retest it. There's a bullish candle. You get in there, or even on this one. All right, and then the market does a huge, I don't know what this move was, but whenever you see something like this, you want to get out. Get some profit quickly here, or get out here when this red candle formed. Because these long candles, as I told you, they're always tested. So market comes back to that support level that the time interval created, and here we get a nice bullish candle again. So retest of that level, you can buy again here, you can buy here, and the market just goes to our next time level. Here, what the market did, we've got our support resistance, and then we're buying again. Okay, so it took a little dip. We ignore that. We wait for this one to close above. That's a nice bullish candle. We can buy that. All right, and market starts going up sideways a little bit. Here's our next time interval. Draw our support, and then big candle. I would have waited for some retrace on this candle. It is rather large. Market came back halfway, so and then it retested that halfway level again. Some bullish candles. You could have bought those. Not much profit in that, but the market, this is a daily resistance. For those traders who also look at other time frames like the daily chart, there was a major resistance here. So anyways, the market hits our next time signal. So it's been going up, so we're going to draw what is a resistance line right here and see what the market does. If it pops above it, if it gets above that resistance, we would have bought. But look what the candles are doing. Just a total rejection on that level. Bearish, bearish, bearish. You sell somewhere in here, okay? And you've got some profit there. Then the market comes back. You might want to get out here. Market comes back, and it's coming back. It's going to retest that level. It doesn't quite make it up there, but pretty close. And you've got this huge bearish candle. You can go short here, or you could have waited for some retrace. Retrace didn't happen until all the way over here, maybe half that candle if you got in, if you waited. But if you did get in here, then you would have definitely got out here, because there's another time signal here. So when the market comes here, you're drawing your support, bullish candle, you're buying that. It's going up till it hits there. And then this one, since the market was going up, we're going to draw another line. Now after a huge move down like this, you're looking for bearish moves. We get a bearish candle right at the time signal. You're going to be selling that. Get in here, market goes down to the next time signal, and what does it do? Right here, the market closes below it with a bearish candle. You can get in here, stop above the last high, market comes back up to retest, bearish, bearish, you're in the short again. All right, and then we go to our next time signal where the market just supports, and this is the end of the day. All right, so you don't want to be trading this part. Let me compress the chart for you just to see how that looks overall, and look at all this beautiful support, resistance, support, support, resistance or support. That's the one that didn't work out, and all your support here. Look how we pinpointed all these areas a day in advance without knowing anything in the market. To this day, I still find this stuff incredible. A lot of calculation goes into figuring out these levels. Hope you guys are appreciating that and learning from it, and learning how to take these signals when the time signals do occur. All right, yeah. So that was the market for February the 21st. Now stay tuned. I'll give you the forecast for Monday. Okay, so as per our protocol, this is the forecast for February the 24th. That's Monday. The first 4 times listed under the Asian session, that is actually for the 23rd evening. That's when the Asian kicks off. The first time is 6:40 listed there. All right, so like I said, once again, all the times are in North American Eastern Standard Time. All right, traders, hope this helps, and hope you can use these timestamps for your trading tomorrow, and we'll be back with you then, and we'll review how we did. Thank you for watching.